having trouble executing it. I'm lost.
How's it going, guys? This is the first Enduro series of the 2021 year, and it's early morning. Cornet and Pino have cooked us some breakfast, and we're getting ready to head out on what hopes to be a hard day.
Got to show us again. We're here at the KTM Catering.
Oh, it's hard camping, man. Have a smell of that. 32.8.
32. Oh, okay.
We're nearly there.
We're nearly there. Today's Team KTM versus Team Yamaha.
We're gonna break Yamahas today.
They'll have to go straight to the junkyard.
I hope you all updated your insurance. Is your insurance current? No.
Import of the cheese.
Yeah.
So I can check for the.
Yeah, please. French Italian girl in Geneva living for 1 year.
Yeah. Oh, she like?
She was, oh mate, she was good.
Right. She was good.
Big boobs.
Oh, nice.
Pamela.
Oh.
Okay.
First gear. Is he in first?
Hope not.
He's got to lean back and feather the clutch. All your weight's on the back, you get more traction.
On first or second?
Sorry?
On which gear? First?
You can go first. If you're going first, you can crawl, but
Yeah.
get in first gear and then have your weight all over the back wheel.
Yeah.
And then just feather the clutch. Just slip the clutch so it just crawls up. I'm in the trees. Whoa! Woo! Hey! Kickstart is a donkey. Absolute donkey. On a hill, on his tippy toes, trying to kickstart. I could think of nothing worse. Oh, the suspension, wow. The front just floats over the stuff. Wow, whoa, shit. Too busy thinking of other shit there. Nearly rode into the back of him.
At this point, we'd all warmed up, and we started getting into more of the rocky stuff. This state park that we're riding in is definitely known for its rocky terrain.
But
I think this is a good clip to show you what most of the tracks are. I think the sunlight's in a pretty good position, so you can see the shadows of all the rocks as we're coming up.
well, hope I was recording the GoPro for that. Bloody hell. Oh, I just copped it. Just go straight over the log. Help him! Help him!
Yeah, not fast enough.
It's alright. Okay.
Alright, let's just lift him. You pull the clutch. Sorry?
Yep, clutch is in. Go. Ready? Go! Nice work. Good job. This is where you give Cornet a bit of a honk. I'm not sure what he's going to do here. He's better off just getting on the bike.
No, he's in.
Well, he's an old man. Come on. You gotta give him a hand.
Made a mess of that.
It's so dusty now as well.
Look, you will all these or
Oh, he'll be alright.
you do that?
Yeah, he'll be alright.
Investigate.
Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen.
Where is he going? I'd get out of his way.
Now this is another good little snippet of what a lot of the tracks are like. This place is also well known for four-wheel driving, so as you can see you'd need some pretty big wheels and lifts to be getting through this stuff. But either way, a challenge. And just like I was throwing rocks and stones at before by Pino, I didn't learn my lesson about following bikes too close up hills, and again I'm following Pino up and he gets in a bit of a jam and I'm right behind him and get completely smoke screened.
Oh, it's kind of shit when you're stuck on the side of a hill. You have to stop. Yamahas. Yamaha traffic jam here, team. I've got to be careful what I say because I have one, but alright, let's go.
I should also have been careful what I said because now I stitch myself up, and obviously as I try to get up the hill now, I lose traction and have to push myself up.
Oh shit. That was nearly his leg trapped between the bike and the fucking rock. Okay, try started and just go slow. I'll push you and just get that front wheel over that lip,
Yeah.
and you can just ride straight up.
I'm worried about the back wheel there.
Oh, I'll push if it hasn't got momentum. Just go slow, just slip the clutch and just go, start. Okay, ready? Go, 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 go! Wow. Ah. Ah. Holy shit. Not quite sure. He's got a plan, but having trouble executing it. Your phone.
My phone.
Where's your phone? Right where you fell. When you were trying to get the bike out, it dropped. Fucking hell.
And now we're making our way to quite a steep section, and it's also winds up the hill. So it's a bit of a switchback up the hill with some larger rocks, sort of boulders at the top. And luckily on this part of the ride, I'd brought my drone with me. So the idea was that I'd go up first, set up the drone, and then record the rest of them coming up. So this is my ascent of the hill that you'll see in all the drone footage. So I think from now is about where you'll see the other guys starting to come up. There's some nice footage of them just riding up here. And then it gets steep. What you also can't tell is that it's very dry out here. So there's a nice fine layer on the top that's very slippery. You give too much throttle at any point and you'll just stop and the rear wheel starts sliding.
Oh no. Okay. Shit.
What you can't see here is that
What is that?
when he
Oh,
came
your
off,
GoPro.
his head hit the rock and smashed the GoPro mount and GoPro off his helmet. So it's lying there on the right on the rock as he's pushing his bike up.
He's had enough now. Watch more of the Cornet Cornage. Cornet Cornage? Cornet Carnage. It's fucking carnage. You know what?
And this was probably my favorite part of the ride. We'd get into these areas with all these large rocks and there was no one way to go, so you really could just choose a path and try and get through it. Made for quite a fun ride right at the end.
I'm lost.
Oh, really?
Oh shit.